If you're getting a Lightroom Generative AI error, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step. This is a really common issue in Lightroom Desktop, and most of the time, it comes down to internet connection, account sign-in, subscription status, or simply needing the latest update. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to check so you can get Generative AI working again. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you are using Lightroom Desktop, because this fix is mainly for the desktop version. The first thing you want to check is your internet connection. Generative AI features need active internet access to work properly, so if your connection is unstable, the tool may fail. Try opening a web page, loading a cloud service, or even restarting your Wi-Fi. If you're using a VPN, turn it off for now, because VPNs can sometimes block Adobe's AI services or cause connection issues. If possible, switch to a different network and test Lightroom again. If the error is still there, the next step is to sign out and sign back in. Open Creative Cloud, go to your profile, and choose Sign Out. After that, completely close Lightroom and Creative Cloud. Then reopen everything and sign back in with the same Adobe account linked to your subscription. This simple refresh often fixes authentication problems, especially when Lightroom can't properly verify your account for AI features. Next, check your subscription status. Generative AI features only work if your plan is active and includes AI-enabled access. Open your Adobe account and confirm that your subscription is current, paid, and not expired. If there's an issue with billing or plan verification, Lightroom may block the AI tool even if the app itself still opens normally. If needed, log into your Adobe account online and make sure everything looks active. Now, update Lightroom to the latest version. Open Creative Cloud, find Lightroom, and install the newest 2026 update if one is available. Adobe often releases fixes for generative AI problems through updates, so using an older version can cause errors or compatibility issues. After updating, restart your computer and try the feature again. If none of that works, the issue may be on Adobe's side. Sometimes Lightroom Generative AI errors happen because of a server-side problem, and in that case, there isn't much you can do except wait a little while and try again later. You can also check Adobe status pages or community forums to see if other users are reporting the same issue. So to recap, check your internet, disable VPN, sign out and back in, confirm your subscription, update Lightroom, and if it still fails, wait for Adobe to resolve the server issue. These steps fix most Lightroom Generative AI errors quickly. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Lightroom and Adobe fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.